Every Facebook comment gets an instant AI reply automatically. In this video, I'll show you how to build this workflow with make.com in just a few minutes. What if every customer comment on your Facebook page got a professional reply, even when you are sleeping? Stop replying to Facebook comments manually. You can create this workflow from scratch and completely free. Click run once. Alright, perfect. Now I'm gonna see my Facebook page. Okay, I'm gonna refresh the page. And here we have, well, customers say information. The AI will respond. Alright, look great. Okay, well, perfect. Hi everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you basically in this workflow, every comment that you post will receive, the AI will answer and reply this comment. For this case, we're gonna use Claude, but if you want, you can use ChatGPT. And finally, this AI will respond the comment automatically. And remember, everything is free. Okay? Well, let's get started. We're gonna start from scratch. So click here, create scenario. And the first module is our Facebook page. And here we're gonna watch comments. You can connect your Facebook account here. Okay. And select your page. Alright. And in this part, you will select the post that you need to answer. Okay. I'm gonna select the last post that I have. For this example, I'm gonna use this. This was posting automatically. If you wanna see this, you can have in the previous video. You will see how to create a schedule and post automatically. Okay, well, so I'm gonna select this post, click save, and from now on, save again. Alright, and here I'm gonna add an AI model. Well, normally maybe you can use ChatGPT, but for this example, I'm gonna use Claude. Both tools are excellent, but they suit different work styles. In short, Claude is better for deep text editing and analyzing long documents, with ChatGPT wins some versatility, web browsing, and content creation. Why choose Claude? For this example, because Claude is natural and less robotic tone. Okay, but if you prefer, you can use ChatGPT. Well, after all, everything is free. So here we have clothes. And if you wanna use this tool free, select the first option, simple text prompt. Select the model. For this base example, I'm gonna choose Claude Opus here and the text prompt. Okay, in this part, I'm gonna paste this prompt. Okay, you are the moderator of a Facebook page of this is the name of the page in this case. Okay, a page dedicated to selling personalized t-shirts. Your task is to respond to the comments left by people. And in this part, the comment will be message. Okay, well, click save. And the next module, now I'm gonna respond. Okay, create a comment. Again, select your account, your page. Alright, and the post ID, it comes from the first module. And here, it's the comment ID. Okay, and in this part, I can select the result, or if you want, you will sound more professional. Okay, for this, I'm gonna make some changes here. First of all, I'm gonna select here and replace. Basically, I'm saying here that sometimes AI show you with different and additional characters, but you want to sound more professional, you want to sound more natural. That's the reason that I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna replace these spaces or these any other parameters here by a nature response. Okay, and here comes the result. And in this part, space. Okay, well, that's all. So click save. Alright, and we have everything. Now I'm gonna outline here, and now I'm gonna make a test. This is the product, and here I'm gonna make a comment. Okay, and this part. Well, many people always say the same thing, something like information. I'm gonna make this comment. Okay, and go here to make the com and click run once. Alright, perfect. Now I'm gonna see my Facebook page. Okay, I'm gonna refresh the page. And here we have, well, customers say information. The AI will respond. Hi there, thanks for reaching out. We've got awesome personalized t-shirt. You can customize with any design name or image you want. What kind of shirt are you looking for? drop us them and we'll help you out with the size, prices, and delivery info. All right, look great. Okay, well, perfect. Remember, here everything is free, and for this example, we're using Claude. But if you want, you can use ChatGPT. And in this prompt, I'm saying the basic things about our company name or Facebook page. But if you want to personalize, maybe designs, colors, maybe the price, because the people can ask you about how much it is of about a stock. You can have a database. You can complete here of if you want to personalize more about it. You can add here a new module and select your database. In this database, you can add additional information about your company or about your product. After connect maybe your module here. If you use your database, a Google Sheet, you can maybe self rows and depending of the information you can add that you want to add here, you can add, okay, of your product depending of your need that you have. All right, that's all. Well, you want the blueprint or template of this workflow, you have in the description. If you have any question, feel free to leave them down below and stay tuned for more.